In this video, I am going to show you how to refund from Bluehost, so let's get started. But before doing it practically, let's discuss quickly the Bluehost refund policy. Bluehost allows refunds, but here are some basic requirements that you have to meet in order to get your money back. So here are some of them. You can cancel your hosting plan within the 30 days for a full refund. Bluehost doesn't offer any refunds for cancellations that occur after 30 days. The money back guarantee does not apply to most add-on products such as domains, SSL, etc. So if you cancel within 30 days, you will receive a full refund on your hosting service only. If you cancel within 30 days and your plan includes a free domain, Bluehost will deduct a non-refundable domain fee of $15.99 from your refund. So in this way, you would not lose your domain name. You may transfer it to another registrar or simply point it to elsewhere at your convenience. Another thing that you must need to have in mind is that newly registered domains cannot be transferred to another registrar during the first 60 days of the registration period. So these are some of the things that you must need to have in mind before getting your refund from Bluehost. So now I am going to show you practically how you can refund your money from Bluehost. To cancel your plan, the first thing that you need to do is to log into your Bluehost account. Once you are logged in, click on the question mark inside the circle in the top right of the page. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page and then click on Visit Contact Page button. Click Chat Now. Now select the existing customer radio button and enter your first name and last name. Then select the domain radio button and type in the domain name that you want to cancel. And then click on Next. Now select Close Your Account from the topic drop-down and choose your hosting package from the description drop-down. And if you have additional information, you can enter it here. If not, just type NA in the field. Now click Next button. Click on Start Chat button to connect with the support agent and explain that you wish to delete all the services and get a refund. Once you will connect with the support agent, the agent will guide you to complete the cancellation process and get your refund.